Hello friends, welcome back. This is question number 3 of exercise 8.2. This is exercise 8.2 and it's question number 3. So let's solve it. If tan A plus B, what is it given already? Firstly, we will note down tan A plus B equal to root 3 and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. And 0 degree is less than A plus B is less than or equal to 90 degree. A is greater than B. Find A and B. We have to find A and B. Now let's do it. So we can see that tan A plus B, we don't know the value, so we will take tan what's value is root 3. Tan 60 degree equal to root 3. Tan 60 degree equal to root 3 and tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. Now you can see that we can write it like this. We can write it like this. Tan A plus B equal to tan 60 degree. Now tan cancelled out. What it comes out as A plus B equal to 60. So let this as equation first, and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3 is as tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. So A minus B, tan cancelled out, so A minus B equal to 30. This is equation second. Now we will solve equation first and second. So adding equation first and second. We will add equation first and second. So what it will come out? A plus A equal to 2A equal to plus B and minus B cancelled out. So 60 plus 30 equal to 90. So A equal to 45 degree. If A equal to 45 degree, we will put A equal to 45 degree. A equal to 45 degree. A equal to 45 degree. We will put A equal to 45 in first. A plus B equal to 60. A is 45 plus B equal to 60. B equal to 15 degree. So A equal to 45 degree and B equal to 15 degree. This one is answer. So this question is also ended. Now one question remaining, true or false. It will be in next video. So thank you.